Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Come on, kids, let's learn something new today. A, 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 this is alphabet A. B, 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 this is alphabet B. C, 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 this is alphabet C. D, 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 this is alphabet D. E, 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 this is alphabet E. F, 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 this is alphabet F. G, 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 this is alphabet G. H, 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 this is alphabet H. I, this is alphabet I. J, 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 this is alphabet J. K, 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 this is alphabet K. L, 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 this is alphabet L. M, 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 this is alphabet M. N, N, M, M, this is alphabet N. O, 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 this is alphabet O. P, 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 this is alphabet P. Q, 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 this is alphabet Q. R, 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 this is alphabet R. S, 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 this is alphabet S. T, 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 this is alphabet T. U, 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 this is alphabet U. V, 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 this is alphabet V. W, 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 this is alphabet W. X, 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 this is alphabet X. Y, 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 this is alphabet Y. Z, 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 this is alphabet Z.
Thank you for watching. If you had fun, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. See you again on ABC Spotlight.